Have you ever tried the takeaway close or the scarcity close, also known as FOMO, fear of missing out? Well, now is the time, plus more expert soft closing skills to rev up your closing game. Would it help your MEDSPA or plastic surgery practice consultants to have these secret weapons up their sleeves or scrubs? I think we both know the answer to that. Stay until the end of this video for my best free training on stealth closing questions and how to use them. For those of you who are new here, I'm Kelly Smith, CEO and founder of Projected Growth Consulting, and today I'm going to share the stealth closing questions that have helped me and my team close over $20 million in sales for our clients year after year. What is a stealth closing question? And how will that help your practice make more money? If these tips help you in any way, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for video trainings like this twice a week. Don't forget to grab my free training at the end of this video by clicking the link below so that your team can have this closing tool in their arsenal. 1. Before I can share these stealth closing questions, I have to start with the basics, which is marketing 101. Marketing is to attract, grow, or retain clients. You have to attract new leads, not chase those leads by following up too often, too aggressively, or stalking them with a text cascade that nobody wants to receive. With the current AI and ways to pre-program lead follow-ups, we see this mistake commonly chasing a great client into the arms of a competitor. So right here, I'm challenging you that you might be part of the problem instead of the solution. Put yourself in your client's shoes and treat them as you would want to be treated. After following up via text, phone, and email, then just let those leads be nurtured by emails and offers and social media posts until they're ready to book a service or a consultation with you or your practice. Harassing a paid social media lead can be a big mistake. Let me know in the comments below if this has ever happened to you. Did you like it? I know I didn't. You can follow up more with a lead from a form fill on your website or an incoming call or after a consultation as a follow-up. But a cold lead from paid social media is a different animal and not the same high quality lead as a phone call or a form fill or consultation. Please clarify this in your protocols for your staff for follow-up for lead conversions of new patients. 2, you hear me talk about how to make an irresistible offer so that people want to buy it while supplies last, or they want to call for details. This is the bait, so use it widely and cast a wide net. For on-demand courses, check out the details in the links below. We have courses and tools that you can start using right now with marketing kits and graphic posts full of irresistible offers that your team can use successfully so that you can start right away getting leads into your office. What offer performed really well for you? Please let us know in the chat below because we pick a winner every single month based on people who comment or ask us questions, and I'd love you to be the winner this month. Moving on now to the star of the show. Stealth closing questions. Now these techniques are not for beginners, so if you've missed my videos on closing as easy as 1, 2, 3 or certainty, please check them out by clicking on either of them now or in the notes below after this video. If these tips are useful, please consider subscribing to our channel as it helps us do even many more videos for you. We post videos 2 times a week to help you grow your medical elective practice, wellness practice, plastic surgery, or med spa. So check out our playlist. Stealth closing questions are also called soft closes. These are the kinds of questions that let you know where your client is in the decision tree during your consultation of sharing the program membership or treatment protocol. Number 1, the most common thing is, when do you need your results by? Is there a wedding, anniversary, reunion? What is your client planning around? If so, this is the easiest way to get them on the calendar to create enough time to recover and optimize their results for their big event. Surgical schedules or openings for other services that may be booked out a bit to be scheduled with the deposit in order to reserve their time is this soft closing technique. Number 2, promotional or event pricing that will expire. Another way to urge a client to decide if they're ready to commit to the sale is having an offer end. 3, memberships. When done correctly, they're an excellent value proposition that are irresistible. You'd be crazy not to take them up on it, and this will help people through the decision tree. And fourth, offer finance options. Cherry and Affirm are two programs that are very price friendly to your practice. I find that it's really important to offer patient financing, although the majority of the clients will not take you up on this. Which brings me to my fifth tip. And use this one only if necessary. Perhaps you're really close to a sale and there was a past promotion involving one of the treatments the client is considering. Let them know that you need to step out and ask the manager or doctor if they'll allow you to make an exception to extend that promotion to your client today, if they would like to go ahead and book their services. Well, there you have it. Those are my 5 favorites. Don't forget to comment below and maybe you'll be the lucky winner this month and receive a free strategy session with me. I can't wait to see your questions and comments, but don't forget, at the end of the day, it's all about the implementation.